Day 3, baby. Back at it again with Stay Gold Performance with Brian Hall this time.
What's up?
Brian's back there holding a charging mat to the back of his phone.
Well, it doesn't charge the cable. I gotta do
Brian's in 2030 over here. What's up, guys? So last time you saw us, we finished up the exhaust. It is ready to go. We had to leave the car there because we got a little busy, but today we are picking it up and hopefully hearing it run for the very first time with a full exhaust. And I'm really excited to hear it. So we gotta set everything back up to make the thing run again. We'll put the exhaust back on and it's ready to party, hopefully. What do you think?
Oh yeah, let's hear this thing. What the frick is going on here?
Chip, what?
Chip, zip ties are not for trailer fenders.
It's not a drift car, Chip. What are you doing?
Alright, we'll fix that. Let me get back to that.
Getting right to work here.
Absolutely.
How you doing?
What's going on, guys? How we doing?
Good morning.
Nice legs.
I've seen better legs on chairs.
What do you think of it? First time seeing it?
It's very pretty. So, I mean, right out the game, right out the gate, right out the, you know, right away, right off the bat,
Right off the bat. Off the rip?
Yeah, off the rip.
we're looking good.
All right, and I know some people were worried that we forgot the O2 bung. We didn't. We got it. So now we can actually see what our AFRs are, so we can actually get this thing like idling correctly.
Oh, now it's still actually running pretty good today, huh?
Yeah, hopefully. Yeah, I'm excited. No, show me a little arch you caught in the dump tube.
What do we got?
It does so much.
Oh, something to stab myself with. Wait, flip it over.
Let him focus on it. Oh, okay, yep, we're in there.
Now you're talking my ear.
All right, well, this looks like a nightmare, but it's good. I'll get it all situated. All right, last step.
You guys ready for this?
that good gas
give me
or
a
what?
hand here.
That's fine. Just get the gas.
Oh my God.
All over Brian's brand new page.
Michael!
It wasn't me.
There's a rag over there.
He's the one tipping it.
Okay.
Back her off, Mike.
Plug her up. There you go.
Oh my God.
It was a nice car, guys. Yeah, well, you know, most good painters say that to really cure a good paint job, you want to use about a gallon of
They don't say that.
93 octane fuel to cure it.
Oh, come on. Hell, get 3 more funnels. Let's see what happens.
We got 3 of our best guys on it right now.
This is ridiculous. I love it. All right, so I'm a little nervous to hear this. This is gonna be my first time hearing a KAT with a 2.5-inch exhaust. We have a resonator and we have a muffler, so I'm hoping it will be kind of quiet. What do you think?
Yeah, I think it's going to be quieter-ish, maybe.
Just keep an eye out for leaks
Gotcha.
and other terrifying things that I don't want to see right now.
I'm right here. Me and this engine are about to be attached at the hip. I'm on leak patrol right now. Nothing's going to get by me. Eyes like a hawk.
We got a good man for this one.
You might need to work the throttle. Alright?
Manually manipulate. And I'll be here just giving Brian.
Here we go.
It's purely for leverage, folks.
That sounds awesome. Hey, this thing sounds knocky as fuck.
Like it's not.
The engine?
Yeah.
Like a motherfucker.
Like a mother.
I was just at the end. I think it was just due to.
No,
It was
the
at
whole
the end.
time.
Oh, was it? Sorry.
Oh, is it the exhaust?
Striking.
Well, guys, I think it's all done. So, you know, that's it. I play a doctor on the weekends.
Yeah, we're ready.
Here we go.
I'm gonna stand directly in front of that.
Like a Subaru.
Like a Subaru.
Sick. Any likelihood that it's something in like the transmission clutch area?
Could be. That's why we're not, for the folks at home, we're not jumping to any conclusions right now, but it is something we're going to have to definitely look into more.
So there's a possibility the noise is coming from the clutch bell housing area. Yeah. So we're gonna fire it up, try it again, and have Jimmy depress the clutch and see if anything changes.
It didn't change at all.
That's a negative, Ghost Rider.
Well, that's pretty awful. All right, so she's knocking. Cylinder 4 is not. Well, we think so. I mean, there's a small possibility it's coming from the trans, like inside the clutch for some reason. So we have to pull the trans off anyways because the rear main is a little leaky. So we'll pull the clutch off. We'll start without the clutch on and see if it goes away. But the expectations for that one is kind of low. So how it got engine knock on cylinder 4, I don't know. I don't know if we didn't hear it before because the exhaust was so loud, or
I doubt it. I think I just started to come in. I don't know.
I don't think I was sold a bad motor. So I don't want to blame the person I bought it from at all. I mean, it's always a risk buying used engines.
No, it totally makes sense. I mean, the luck of your spring has been going just this way. So
this has been a rough year.
It makes sense at this point, right?
But what can we do about it? I don't want to hear any comments saying, oh, it's because it's a KA. I don't want to hear that because I'm still very happy that there's a KA in this car. I still think it was the best option for this build. It's just unfortunate, and it happens. This is cars. This happens all the time. It really does. So
just take it from TJ, Jim. Okay. Keep moving forward.
Oh, TJ,
You're gonna be fine.
Goddamn, it hurts sometimes. It hurts a lot.
Hurts every damn day.
I'm really upset about this. But I guess, I mean, yeah. Gotta keep wrenching, right?
Yep, let's get it home.
Uh-huh.
Let's get the training off.
Try it. If not, take it all apart.
Let's not let any of this distract us from the fact that Stagel Performance built a bitchin' 2.5-inch turbo back exhaust for this awesome Nice Honda. I mean,
I don't want to take any light away from that. I truly don't. The exhaust came out amazing. I'm so happy. Now that we have on the ground, you can see the exhaust really doesn't hang as dramatically low as I thought it would, just given our constraints. And
well, that's because all the trigonometry and adverse angles that we use. I mean, down here, we don't cut corners. You know.
Through the crying sounds of the connecting rod, I heard a beautiful tone of it.
Oh, yeah. It was very Mercedes-Benz-esque. It had like a real comfortable, almost like you want to just get in it and go cross country. Well, I mean, you can't now because cylinder 4 rod's about to come through the dashboard. No, but seriously, I mean, you win some, you lose some. Sometimes you draw, but as SpongeBob SquarePants once said, just keep on wrenching. No, that was Winston Churchill.
what the fuck?
Is it too soon for you keep a knocking, but you can't come in? A little.
This is the farthest it's ever drove.
Yeah, it's really bittersweet because it's moving under its own power, but it's always knocking power.
Man, I wish you just freaking wah-pop.
Oh yeah, Jimmy, give it a little wah-pop. Hey Frank, can you get an exhaust note? Why is it smoking so bad? It's like a Union Carbide.
It's not terrible. It's not bad.
When he started it though, it was like there was a pool of oil sitting in the piston. Just sounds like an old-fashioned clock. What's the plan of attack for exterior? Full paint, or are we just doing a quick buff and scuff on her?
We're gonna do nothing right now, and then later on, full paint.
Once it runs.
So we could do like full vinyl decals. Exhaust didn't hit. How about you?
Nothing rubs.
It's a small victory.
Yep.
engine may be toast, but at least it goes on and off the trailer real nice. So, question that I'm sure everybody's asking: what are we doing for lunch?
Well, the Civic is, no, the motor's not good, but we had a great time with the Stay-Glow guys. It's always a blast hanging out with them, and I can't thank them enough for doing an amazing job on the exhaust. So, we're going back to the shop. We got a big night planned ahead for the boys.
Let's go.
Oh yeah, I can't wait to shoot. I have to film it.
Dude, I'm so excited. I can't even tell you.
As you guys know, my boy here, Mr. B Hall, he's a little crusty looking.
Listen, the pandemic has been some trying times.
That's the excuse. So we're having our good boy come through, and I'm getting cuts for the whole squad. We're gonna make Mike, Brian, I don't know who else is coming down, myself. We're gonna be all pretty again. I'm excited to see the glow up on you, kid.
Oh, well, thanks. I appreciate that.
So take a good before, right? Look at show him the sides.
Yeah, take the hat off. Take the hat off.
Oh,
There we go.
just you live, dude.
What has this vlog turned into? Okay, this is what all of the 18 to 26-year-old boys want to see. Is another male glow up. Is that what you guys
That's
really
what I
want?
to see, man. All right, well, let's get back to the shop and put together a game plan of how I'm actually gonna enjoy a car. Hopefully soon.
The new shirt's coming out, and it's gonna. You guys are gonna have to buy it so Jimmy can buy a couple of engines. That's the only thing I can think of. Honestly, I don't.
All right, you go swipe left some more over there, and we'll get back to the shop.
All right, I gotta charge my phone.
We'll get the charging pad.
So this is kind of funny timing. So if you guys remember a couple weeks ago, or I don't remember how long ago it was, we got the E36, the boosted E36 on the dyno, and unfortunately the engine blew on the dyno, and we broke a ringland. So we decided to make a shirt for it. We made a memorial shirt for the E36, and I kind of love it. Here we go. It's break hearts, not ringlands. What do you think, Chip?
I love it.
It's a good shirt, isn't
Very
it?
good. I like how it's realistic pistons, just how it realistically happened to you. And
Jesus.
I would also say that we're struggling. Wait, hold on. We're struggling to do this part.
yeah,
We are doing a lot of that part.
Yeah, no good.
No bueno.
And the front's pretty cool too, because it just has a little piston with the
I gotta get one because it matches my car, kind of. Get the metallic in it if it picks up.
Oh yeah, it
Love
does.
that. So, well, unfortunately, weird timing with that one today, but the shirts are in.
Ironic.
And if you guys want to cop one, shopgmail.com. The link's in the description. We only have a limited quantity, so. Oh, we do have 4XL, which is pretty cool too. So.
We have 4XL in this. We're stocked back up on the Ghost Oaks tees. We do have some Nasandas left. We got hats back
dad
in.
hats.
We got the dad hats in.
And we got stickers.
Personal favorite stickers, and if you want to dress up your engine bay or you want to look good
Oh, those are in. I
on the
forgot.
basketball court,
Oh my god.
or wristbands, we like to put these on the Breakmaster cylinders.
We'll show 'em right now.
Yeah.
Bringing back some old school vibes here.
Look at that. Like a glove.
I need one of those.
What do you think, Donald?
Need one of those. I like that.
It's a good touch. Realistically, I probably should start taking apart the Civic and addressing that, but I'm not gonna lie, I'm a little too defeated today to do that, so I'm gonna be a lazy bum and wait till tomorrow to touch it. But we're all getting our haircuts, and I think you guys are gonna die at Brian's transformation, so I have to film it. Oh, you next, boy. About to look like a snack.
I've been looking like a snack.
Damn, kid.
You look good.
Where's the cake?
Hit me up.
Next?
I guess.
This is a big moment.
Why? I've gotten lots of haircuts before. This isn't my first.
Look at it, everyone's laughing at it. I love it. Mom, we need a good before. Take it in.
Stop it. You just gotta, like, it's gotta make my ex-girlfriend jealous, you know? Oh my gosh. Jim! Shut up!
that bus. Oh, baby! Look at him.
Just what I wanted! I hate you guys, but I love you
so
too.
Good. Look at him.
Tucker, what do you think?
Your mom's gonna say you're so handsome.
No, thank
Everyone
you
call Brian
guys.
handsome.
Brian, you're so handsome.
All right, let's update that Tinder profile ASAP. We got you going.
I already super liked him.
Right there? Yep.
Oh, hit him with it. Hit him with it.
Don't move.
You're done, man. You look good.
How do I look?
You look
I haven't
good.
gone in the bathroom yet.
You haven't gone?
No.
Let's go together.
All right.
All right, I know you guys didn't come to the vlog to watch guys get their hair cut, but I thought you guys would get a good kick out of that. But I'm happy I was able to get all the boys a fresh cut, bring everyone's confidence up, it makes you feel good. You guys know how it is. So today, once again, was another rough day. But we'll get through it, we'll move on, and we'll progress from here. So I guess the game plan is now pull the trans off, verify it's nothing in the trans, which I really don't think it is, and then from there pull it all apart, and we'll get this engine out to the machine shop, and I'll get it done by someone I know is going to do it right, and then we'll never have to worry about the car again, and that will be a good feeling. So we took a chance with the built motor. It's always a chance, and unfortunately the odds did not play in our favor. So but with that, thank you guys for watching. Thank you guys for being the greatest subscribers ever. I know I don't say it enough, but I really do appreciate you guys. I see the comments, I see the DMs, and I just want to let you guys know that you guys honestly make my day, and it really means the world to me. So with that, we're gonna end it. You guys know the deal. Like, comment, subscribe. Stay tuned for more content, and we'll see you tomorrow.